Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make these tasty potatoes chapatis. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, you're going to need 2 cups of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar optional, and lastly 1 cup of warm water. In a bowl which has the wheat flour, you'll start by adding 1 tablespoon of sugar optional, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil, and mix everything well and nice. Lastly, you're going to add 1 cup of warm water. Pour gradually while mixing till you get a soft dough. Once you get a dough like this, you're going to knead the dough for approximately 7 to 10 minutes until the dough becomes super soft. Once you get a soft dough like this, you're going to divide the dough into 4 or 5 small doughs according to how large your chapatis you will want. After dividing the doughs, you're going to fold the doughs into a smooth, tiny doughs. Then afterwards, cover the doughs for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to make our potatoes. Ingredients: you're going to need 3 large boiled potatoes, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, some salt to taste, a half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of Garamasala, 1 grated carrot, and lastly some lemon or lime juice. Start by mashing the potatoes using the potato masher until the potatoes are nicely mashed. Then you're going to add all the ingredients mentioned in the beginning, the spices, carrot, and the lemon juice, and continue mixing until everything is nicely mixed. Once you're done, take a small quantity of potatoes and make 4 small balls because we have 4 doughs, and place them on a plate. The rest of the potatoes, you can just eat them or make a potato omelette. After around 10 to 15 minutes, take 1 dough at a time and press it flat like this. Then take the potato ball and place it at the center and fold it into a round ball. Repeat the same process until you're done with all the doughs. Once you're done filling the potatoes, take 1 dough at a time and sprinkle some flour. Then roll the dough into a round flat circle as you can see in the video. Then afterwards, it's high time to cook our chapatis. Place a pan on a medium heat and let the pan to become hot. Once hot, place the chapati and cook the chapati for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. Then flip the chapati on the other side and cook the chapati again for around 30 seconds to 1 minute. So the second time you're going to flip it once more and add about 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil and cook the chapati for around 30 seconds to 1 minute until your chapati has a nice golden brown color. Then flip it once more and cook it again for 30 seconds to 1 minute and your chapati will be ready. Repeat the same process until you're done with all the doughs. And my tasty potatoes chapatis are ready, as you can see in the video. Like, these chapatis are so tasty. You can eat along with fried chicken, liver or meats and enjoy your chapatis. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below. Or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.